Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be having a look at this awesome folding EDC knife from Bestech. This is the Operator. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Bestech and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Bestech for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. And just in case you haven't had a chance to check out the review I did on the Bestech Kendo, I'll leave a link for it right up here. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here is a vertical view. And with the blade open. And back to vertical with the blade open. Let's take a quick measurement going across with the blade closed. So you figure there it's about 4.5 inches and we got just a little bit more. So just about 4 3/4 inches long with the blade closed. Let's take a measurement from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. Looks like it's just about 8 inches overall length. Let's take a measurement going across this way from the highest peak of the blade to the handle. And we got just about, well, there's 1/2 inch, so right about 2. So just about 1 5/8 inches wide. Let's have a closer look at the thickness of the spine. Pretty thick piece of steel here. Probably thick enough where you can stack 2 US quarters on the spine. And if we're going to measure the thickness up here, it looks like it's just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's have a closer look at your opening mechanisms. We have 2. The first one is your flipper lever. That's this little fin here sticking up over the top of the handle. Little bit of jimping here to give you a little bit more traction when you pull backwards. And it absolutely flies open super smooth for such a thick blade, pivoting on a ceramic ball bearing system. We have a teardrop thumb hole, or finger hole as some people call it, because you can stick your thumb in down here and rotate it around that way. Or you can reverse flick from the bottom. You're going to wedge your middle finger right down there, flick it open that way. Let's have a look at the blade up front, starting off in the thumb ramp area. Show you guys what the jimping looks like. Nice little dip in here for your thumb to sit on. You can feel that jimping under there. Let me show you guys the profile of the jimping. All right, very comfortable up here. Nice little dip. I'm going to follow that spine down to this tip here. Beautiful swedge. We have a 2-tone blade, 2 different types of finish. We have satin here on the blade flat. Up here in the shoulder, it's a black stonewash finish. And look at that. That just looks like an angry bird looking at you. And this is a Warrenclyffe blade design. Nice flat edge here on the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. That thing looks like it's mad at you. We have a sharpening choil right down here, and this really makes it easy to sharpen this entire edge from the tip of the blade all the way down to the base. And this is pretty much a flat grind here right up to the shoulder, and then there's a different angle up here. But the knife flats, pretty much flat grind. Steel type being used up front is an affordable D2, but still really good in quality. You got 12% chromium. You're going to get really good corrosion resistance. But really what D2 is known for is taking a really nice edge and having great edge retention. Let's have a closer look at these very orange G10 scales. All right, this G10 stuff is very durable. I'm going to tip it sideways so you guys can see the milling that they've done here. All right. Pretty much a squared off milling pattern on the top. Very straight slant here. Curves all the way to the back. G10 black backspacer. A little bit of jimping here and there. Matches the hardware on the knife. T6 black screws. There is a close-up of the Bestech pivot. Let's have a look at the liners on the inside. Also matching black. And maybe I can tilt this over so you guys can see the skeletonization. You see those circles there? Cutouts to lighten the overall weight of the knife. Grip is fairly comfortable. Depending on your hand size, you might be able to fit 2 fingers up here in the front finger groove and then 2 in the back, or just 1 in the finger groove and then 3 in the back. And remember, you got this nice little dip here in the thumb wrap area right where the jipping is at to give you a little bit more leverage when you're doing your cutting. And Warren clips are really good for opening boxes because of that point. You push down and just slice open. Here's a quick look at your pocket clip. Also matching black. Turn you guys sideways here, and that's going to be deep carry. That should slide all the way into the pocket. A quick look at your lanyard hole. Drilled straight through the back spacer. There's no holes drilled on the other side. So this is right-handed carry only. Tip up. Here's what this knife is going to look like. When you dunk it down in your pocket, it should completely disappear. All that orange and all that knife vanishes. Get you guys a profile view there. Back to the front. Let's see how smooth this factory edge cut's coming right out of the box. Ah, yes. Nice and smooth there. Beautiful. Nice smooth cuts. Now a blade of this thickness and sharpness should have no problems going through some cardboard. Total domination. Once again, guys, this has been the Operator made by Bestech. If you're looking for a new, larger EDC knife for yourself, or maybe you're shopping for a gift for your friend, this knife features high visibility G10 scales, lightning quick opening for such a thick, strong, sharp blade, and just have a look at that face. It just looks like it's mad at you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife from Bestech, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.